This is the kind of occasion we all relish as football fans. Welcome everyone on a perfect night for football with the floodlights beaming down. I'm your match commentator Derek Ray, and my partner ready to bring you all the analysis and technical talk is Stuart Robson. And coming up for you is live action from Major League Soccer. It's the San Jose Earthquakes, and they take on the Portland Timbers.
Thanks, Derek. Well, this should be a decent game today. Both managers will have a game plan. Both teams have a certain style of play, and both sides will want to start quickly. I'm looking forward to this.
Rodriguez. And quick thinking defensively. And introducing the visitors lineup today.
Well, with an attacking midfield player playing off the front two and a holding midfield player sitting in front of the centre-backs, it looks like they're going to use a diamond in this 4-4-2, which means they need to play through that central area.
Can't miss, surely! Oh, goodness me, he's hit the post! Threat over for now, it seems.
Well, they've started the game really brightly, and that was so close to taking the lead.
Now can they make something happen? Could be! Oh, a challenge that simply had to be won. Can he find the right pass? That is not going to do. Well wide of the target. Okay. Now a decent position. Keeper getting the touch. And the attack fizzling out. Well, the referee wasn't going to let that go. He has teammates around him. But quick thinking defensively. Promising pass. That's a good-looking pass. And there it breaks down, but credit to the defence. David Costa. It's with Moreno. It's a fierce effort! Well, after that attempt, gobbled up by the keeper. Espinosa. It's one thing to sit deep, it's another thing to sit that little bit too deep. Oh, could be an opportunity here. Great opportunity! The save was a good one. Can someone get on the end of this? Good bit of defending. Now, options are plenty. Well, that's how to beat your opponent. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. And a decent save. Full credit. Who can he pick out? Well, he failed to get it away properly. This looks promising. Oh, a tremendous block. Espinosa. Kreilach with it. Can he do it? Oh, good reflexes from the keeper and the danger averted. Can they forge ahead from this corner kick? Let's see. And a bit short with the clearance. Well, they can keep possession of it now. This might be ideal for the counter. Really nice ball. And the referee sees that as a foul. Free kick given. What can he do with it now? And an attempt best forgotten, I think. Okay. Arango. Just knocking it around, looking to carve out a chance. Not really the high percentage option to try your luck from there.
Well, his teammates aren't particularly happy. He was never going to score from there.
Wasn't a great piece of passing. Moving the ball forward with purpose. So, a corner here.
Well, this is a big moment, and don't these fans know it?
And over it comes. Magnificent challenge to win it back. Vitor Costa. Okay. Oh, danger here. Oh, chance perhaps. Was it a great clearance? Must take the lead here. Oh, he's been denied, and they remain locked together.
Well, that's a good save, but really he should have scored from there. That's a big chance.
It's with Moreno. Giving the ball away. Could be dangerous. Can he make it count? Oh, what a wonderful chance for the opening goal.
Well, that was a great chance. They should be in front now.
Felipe Mora. Paredes. Rodriguez. Well, just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages here. That is not going to do. Well wide of the target. And there it is, the half-time whistle. Into the second half then, and these two sides are locked together. Just can't really choose between them at the moment. Espinosa. Able to get his body in the way. He fancies it. Another block. Smuggled away. Well, this looks really productive. What can they do from this position? Well, disappointing end to the move. Promising sequence. Costa. Incisive pass. We wondered who was going to win the race. The answer, the goalkeeper. He has teammates around him, but really sticking to their task defensively. David Costa. Well, they know they need to stop him. Did well to clear it away. Well, probably a fair assessment of his first half's work would be a mixed bag.
Well, Derek, he did have that effort that hit the woodwork, and he certainly worked hard to get into the match. But sure, he could add a bit more quality to his game in the second 45 to have a real impact on this result.
To put them ahead. That was going in. That's a good-looking ball. Well, he's been ruled to have taken up an illegal position. Only just, however, Stuart.
Well, he loves running off the back of defenders, but on this occasion, he's just gone a fraction too early.
Good weight on that pass. "30 minutes to go then. Plenty of support here. A fine reading of the situation. It's one thing to sit deep, it's another thing to sit that little bit too deep. Options in the centre. Now, who can he pick out? Is it going to be? Well, a strong hand on the ball.
Well, they might be piling on the pressure, but they've got to make it count in those situations, that's for sure.
Well, now they've got to concentrate on keeping the door locked. And given away. Good-looking move. Must take the lead here. Oh, but he's missed it. How on earth is this still level?
Well, I just don't know, Derek. Just a real lack of composure in the end. They should be ahead now.
Oh, that's a fine-looking pass. Excellent defending. Likes to run with the ball at his feet. Could go ahead. Well, he was keen to give that one a go. Sadly, lacking a bit of accuracy. Substitution time it is here. Indiana Vasilev. Excellent assessment of the situation at the back. This looks promising. Oh, tremendous block.
Please report to guest relations for an important message. Michael Stewart to guest
Felipe
relations.
Mora.
Thank you.
Costa. Here's Felipe Mora. David Costa. Diego Chara. The cross is on. Pumps clear. Arango. They do pass the ball with authority. It has to be. Oh, a smart stop. Well, that header was never going to be problematic for the goalkeeper. Not the best challenge, free kick. A very effective clearance. Felipe Mora. Still pushing for what could be a winner. Rodriguez. And a body in the way. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Vasilev. Kay. Vitor Costa. Espinosa with it. Plays with a positional sense that is second to none. 5 minutes left. David Costa. That's an effective cross aimed at the back post. Well, given the position he found himself in, he really should be testing the keeper. Superb opportunity squandered. And it is substitution time at this juncture, not just from one side, but from both. Possession lost, intercepted. Time running out, but they could yet win it. Espinosa. And successfully cut out. What about the stoppage time situation? 2 minutes the word. Bravo. It's with Jonathan Rodriguez. David Costa. They cannot be separated here, and it's on to extra time.